Hello everyone, my name is Mihin.
And I'm Sanem.
We are students of Hədəf CIS steam+a. Today we will tell you about the project that we've built. It includes here temperature sensor, two LEDs and Arduino Uno that connects all of them. The red one is connected to the second port and the yellow one is connected to the third port. Now my classmate Sanem will explain us how does the code work.
So in this code, as we mentioned, red one is connected to the second port and yellow LED is connected to the third port. Also, the temperature sensor is connected to the A0. After that, we connected the temperature wall that will collect all the data that temperature sensor will show us. And after that, we mentioned that if the temperature is lower than 50, then temperature sensor will get that information. It will send it to the Arduino Uno. And now we will show how it works. If we increase the temperature, the red LED will turn on, and if it decreases, then yellow LED will turn on.